Hello. Today we will look at managing the white label reseller panel on AccuWeb.Cloud. Once your order has been set up by our admin team, you will see this type of dashboard when you log in. You will see the users you've created in dashboard from this point. To create a new user, just go to Action option and click on Add New. So from here you can create new users in your panel. If you want to edit something in your user's environment, then just select that user and go to the tab. And click on it. From here you can change email address and a refill balance change group. All these things can be managed from here. Now, if you wish to modify some quota of the resources of the same client, you can do from here. You can check audit log, billing history of that client quota funding history, if the client has made any payment or not. You can see all the information of the client from here. So from here, you can view all the details of the particular client. If you want to check the client's environment or their dashboard, you can select the users and go to Sign in Users. So, from here you can log in into your client dashboard and see how client is managing their application. Or if you want to debug the client's issue, or you can guide them as well. This is the dashboard your client will see once their account is set up. Now let's see the billing section. From the billing section, you can manage the billing for resources such as RAM, vCPU, and disk space, additional IP addresses, etc. For that, go to the price model. In price model, you can create your own price model by clicking on Add button. Once you click on Add, you can provide a name so that you can easily identify it and add description. Choose the cloudlet or billing cycle which you want to set for your new client. So from here you can choose and add or edit the model. After then you can also create tariff for your plans. Here, you can click the Add button to add a new tariff for your client or create a custom billing for your client. So just click on it and you can change the plans for per hour rates of the resources like RAM, vCPU, IP addresses, etc. If you want to change the logo of your reseller panel, you can also do that. For that, just go to System Settings and click on User Interface and here search for logo. So from here you can change the logo of your reseller dashboard. So you can manage users, billing cycles of your resources or cost of your resources and logo from the panel. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.